If you want to clone apps on Redmi A7 Pro, unfortunately there is no built-in option that allows you to do so. Therefore, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to duplicate apps. So we can use the search option at the bottom and we can use the search field at the top in order to then write something like clone app or duplicate app or something like that. And then in here you might be able to find multiple different apps that at least in theory should allow you to duplicate apps. In my case, I'm gonna show you how to get this app to work, how to set it up and how to duplicate an app with this app over here. Of course, feel free to try anything else if you don't like this specific app over here. So of course, I'm gonna install the app, and then once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. Agree to privacy policy, and then at the bottom we can use the plus button in order to add an app that we want to duplicate. So after a couple of seconds we should be able to see the list of apps that we have on our phone, and you can choose anything that you want to duplicate. I'm just gonna choose Instagram in this example, and I'm gonna tap on clone, and then you can open the duplicated Instagram app from this app over here, and that is pretty much all. So wait a couple of seconds and there we go, it should open afterwards. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.